Good morning, Husky Pups. Mrs. Volts here. We are going to do a math activity that I think you're going to enjoy today. We've been talking about graphing items. We graphed some fish, and if you've checked out the seesaw activity from yesterday, you got to graph some spiders. We're going to do some graphing again today, but guess what I've got? Do you recognize those? Those are Pete's buttons from our story, The Lost Buttons. We're going to graph those buttons, but look at, they're all jumbled up right now. And we had talked a little bit about the best way to count things, if we can, is to do what? Put them in a line, right? If we put them in a line, then we know where to start and where to stop counting. And that last number when we stop tells us how many are there. So let's take a look. I am going to put Pete's buttons in rows just like on our graph. So let's start with the yellow buttons. Okay, I'm going to put a yellow button right here. And we have red buttons, so I'll put a red one right there. Green buttons. Oh, that's Roland's favorite. Orange buttons. And blue buttons. We'll bring a blue one down. Okay. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors that we have. We have 5 colors. So let's graph them. Let's do the yellow ones first. So to help so I can count these better, I'm going to put them in a row or a line. Okay, there we go. Is that all the yellows? I think so. We got all the yellows in a row. Next, we have what color, pups? We have red. So I'm going to put all the red buttons in a row. Now we have the green in a row. Next is orange. Ooh, just have one of those. And look at here. There's our blue. Okay, we put them all in a row. So let's take a peek at how many yellows we have. We'll do that one first because it's over on the left. We'll do that one first. So count with me, pups. I'll point, you count. Did you get 5? We've got 5. That's right. 5. So I'm going to put our 5 right there to show how many yellow buttons we have. Let's count the red buttons. Did you get 3? Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3. There we go. That's 3. Hold on one second, pups. I'm just going to get out some more numbers here. So I have them ready to go, okay? Now, let's count our green. Four green. There's our 4. Tells us how many is in that row. Now our orange. Did you get 2? Good job, pups. 2 on the orange. And how many blue? How many did you get? Did you get 2? There are 2. So let's check out how many we have of each color. For the yellows, we have 5. For the red, we have 3. 4 green, 2 orange, and 2 blue. Okay, by looking at our graph here, Even though we don't have the lines, that could still be a graph. Which color button do we have the most of? The biggest number? What do you think? You got it, pups. 5. 5 buttons. The yellow group is the biggest number, so that has the most. Which group has the least or the smallest number? This is where it gets kind of interesting, guys. We have 2 orange and we have 2 blue. These numbers are the same. 2 orange, 2 blue. So these 2 groups are equal. That's a new word we're going to talk about. Equal. They have the same amount. It's the smallest, right? These 2 groups have the least amount of buttons, the smallest number. But they are equal because they both have 2. Equal means the same. So our yellow group with 5 has the most. Our orange group and blue group have the least, the smallest amount. But they are also equal amounts because they have the same amount of buttons. We're learning a lot with our math, aren't we? Great job, pups. And we're going to keep working on more than, less than, and equal. That's our new word. That means the same amount. Equal. So we're going to be practicing that. That was fun. Hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.